Hi everyone, I'm Alexa and welcome to PAR Academy. Today more than ever, facilities are faced with becoming healthier environments where people feel safe to return to work. Team PAR is here to introduce you to solutions that can be implemented to achieve exactly that. Today we'll be talking about the technology of Alta fabrics by Applied Textiles. Alta is the latest performance technology for textiles. It offers the highest combination of repellency and resistance to liquids, oil-based stains, and dry dirt. Alta is permanent, so it cannot wear off or wash off. The ease of maintenance is incredible. No harsh chemicals are required for cleaning, and liquids are simply blotted up with a clean rag. If the stain is set into the fabric, hot water extraction is all you need. Watch how liquids do not penetrate through the fabric. And we just blot it up with a clean rag. And there you have it. Textiles produced with Alta technology withstand real life without leaving a mark. Making facility changes quickly will be required to get everyone working again. Team PAR is fully operational and here to help. Stay safe and thanks for watching.